NeoGraft is a revolutionary technology that allows us to take individual hair follicles from the back of someone's scalp and then put them into a receding hairline or into their frontal scalp without having any kind of linear scar in the back. It minimizes downtime and it gives a hair transplant patient really natural results.
When these technologies became much more effective, we leapt at the chance to bring NeoGraft into our practice because we think it's one of the most robust and effective ways to accomplish those goals.